Welcome back, guys. This is going to be an Ergo auction house tutorial. So let's get into it, right? So for the Yoroi portions of like the video and the wallet, that will all be on the Ergo mining video. So if you want to know how to set up a Yoroi wallet, check out that video. Otherwise, I'll just be doing it kind of like the address checksum way, which if that makes sense, it makes sense. If not, it doesn't. So anyways, if you guys want to make a new auction, all you guys got to do is have a minimum bid. The minimum amount someone can bid. The minimum step is how much the increments go by. Auction end time. Instant buy just sets an instant buy time in the description, right? That's all you got to do. Then you send in the NFT that you're auctioning off with the amount of money specified. Very, very simple. Could not be easier. As far as creating artwork, you just drag and drop your file, your quantity, the number of them going to be issued of this picture, the name of that picture, the description of that picture, and the royalty percentage. You can put up to 10% royalty on your artwork. This is very, very simple. It'll show you a similar image to this. So when you want to buy something, it'll tell you to send it to this address or this amount of Ergo in this address. When you create artwork, it'll show you the exact same thing, and then you'll get your artwork sent to you at your Ergo address. If you want to view your artwork, you have to use your latest address, okay? Because the Ergo wallet does this thing where it like puts all your NFTs onto your latest address when you send like another transaction. That's just kind of the way that it syncs up and the way that it uses the wallets. However, you can receive Ergo from any of those addresses, even after they're made. Same thing goes for the buy instantly. It'll show you the same thing except the buy instantly price and to send the Ergo there, right? So you just click on this to copy it, click on that for the address, paste both into your thing, boom. Make sure you check the addresses, make sure you check the amount of Ergo. Common practice. Moving forward, if you guys want to check out the owned artworks, you would click here. And if I owned any on this wallet address, then it would show you your owned artwork. Remember, you have to use your latest wallet address, or if you haven't made a transaction in a while, it'll be one of the ones that you have previously. And that'll be where your artwork is. There's the refund tab, which I've never personally used, and this is a new feature. So I couldn't tell you really how that works. I'm guessing it's just your wallet address, and that's how you get your refund, right, for stuck funds. If you mess up like an amount of Ergo that you should have sent, right? There's the FAQ. This should help a lot of people when they're using Ergo and stuff. And if you have any questions, just come to here, right? There's the past auctions, and these are just the things that have sold recently. Don't know if I'll have to blur. I don't think I'll have to blur that out. But that's just kind of what's sold on the Ergo auction house recently. As you can see, anything sells, right? That's just how it is, right? Back to active auctions. This is where we're at. You can see that there's a lot of different stuff here, and yeah, this is kind of what's available. I've discussed kind of what I have an opinion on in these Ergo gnomes and stuff like that. If you guys want to use like a certain like name, right? So you could take a artist checksum, or actually you can take an artist address. You can actually take it and put it in here, and it'll show you that exact NFT. So if you're looking from NFTs from the developer, that would be the way to do it. Get their artist address, boom, copy, paste it in there. It'll show you all the NFTs with that address. So same goes for this. If I want to get the Three Kings collection and I check out the artist address, I get that, I paste it in here, boom, boom, just like that. I got all of them, right? Simple, and you know it's legit, right? That's how you do it. There's the V1 auctions. I don't really think there's anything popping off in there, but it's the same concept as Auction House V2, except V2 has royalty percentages and stuff like that. You can favorite stuff, and if once you favorite it, it goes into like a favorited portion, or you can just click on the image like that, and it'll show you the image. You can do this little number and try to take the image, but remember, you don't own the NFT. I think that's about as much as I can possibly cover on the Ergo auction house. I think it's simple, right? But if you guys don't think it's that simple and you guys would like more in depth, I think the only more in depth way would be for you to watch my Ergo mining video. And I know there's some important stuff in there, right? People who need buy a token need to understand how the mining works. It'd be like buying Bitcoin without understanding how more Bitcoins are made. So that's just kind of the whole point behind that, right? Otherwise, this is a very simple video. When you make a bid on a token, it will pop up here that it's been received. It basically checks the blockchain for your address that you entered. And as far as this, make sure you enter in the right address, right? So you put your latest wallet address in here, boom. Otherwise, if you want to view your tokens, you have to find the address that your tokens are on. So you're going to have to type in all your different addresses here and then check your own artworks and see which one's on. Usually it's going to be like the second, you got to make the last transaction will actually move up all the NFTs to the latest address wallet. So just remember that. And that's kind of how the Ergo auction house works. So if you guys like this video, remember to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will presumably be on the market's great downturn and how we're kind of in a bear market right now, temporarily. Bitcoin controls everything. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.